Hey everybody, this is Ron with Back 40 Farms. Thank you so much for your input and votes on the name for our new baby alpaca. The votes from YouTube, TikTok, Gab, Facebook, and Instagram have all been calculated. Took us a minute, but let's go, she's right over there. Let's go video her and I will relay what name she will have the rest of her days. So there's Mama. And baby's doing wonderful, eating, frolicking, running, jumping, being cute as usual. And instead of referring to her as her and she, the official name that won because of your votes is Indy. Indy edged out Libby. So Indy is short for Independence, and again, she was born on July 3rd. So she is now Indy, being cute as a button. Apparently it's too boring for Mom with that yawn, but there you go. Thanks you guys for your input and interactions. It's really appreciated.